Hi foodies, welcome back. Let's see how we can make an amazing dish out of some leftover lonely vegetables. Come on. I have 1 carrot, a potato and few eggplants. I have to consume these before they go bad, so I have an awesome recipe to combine all these and make one tasty dish. Here I have soaked and hydrated green chana overnight. Keep it aside for a while. I'm making a masala paste first with some basic herbs. Rough grind these without water and keep aside. Let's go ahead with the main dish. Now let the mustard seeds crackle. Just saute the garlic for a few seconds and don't brown. This is the masala paste that we had made earlier. We will cook this for a few seconds. We will cook the onions and the tomatoes until the oil separates, and salt will help them cook quickly. See the oil layer? Time to add the hydrated green chana. We will cook these first before adding the rest of the ingredients. A little water for them to cook. We will cook these until soft, approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You can also pressure cook these before adding to the onion mixture. Perfect. Kanda lasun masala or kolhapuri masala is also fine. Sugar will balance the spice and tang. Check out the description box for the detailed recipe. I have cubed the potatoes, the carrots and the baby eggplants all the same size. Give it a good mix. If you like my recipes, then click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. Thick coconut milk will make a great difference. I'm also adding green peas. A little water as this is a semi-dry dish. Mix and bring to a boil. The veggies cook pretty quickly, about 8 to 10 minutes. Let's check if they are cooked. Nice. Just a final garnish and we are good to go. Coconut is optional, but it gives a good taste to the dish. All the leftover veggies get utilized and we have one amazing dish ready to serve with puris. Thanks for watching and bye.